Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The euro pulled back from earlier highs after briefly rallying following the election victory of Germany's Conservatives. Investors were also looking for clues to see if Germany will loosen its constitutionally enshrined debt brake rule that limits the budget deficit to just 0.35% of national output. Oil prices edged higher as fresh US sanctions on Iran and a commitment to compensate for overproduction by Iraq added to concerns of near-term supply tightness, helping the market recover some of Friday's steep losses. Wall Street's main indexes were mixed in choppy trading, with technology stocks creating the biggest drag as investors awaited results from chip giant Nvidia for clues on the future of demand for artificial intelligence technology. The Dow and the S&P 500 managed small gains.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Gold prices saw moderate gains in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Attention turns to the economic calendar as the upcoming days feature a series of high, medium and low impact data releases. Each event carries the potential to influence market sentiment, guiding traders and investors' decision-making. With these events on the horizon, market participants should stay updated and flexible in their approach. The outcomes may shape trading conditions for days to come.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.